Hello and welcome back. Let's go ahead and talk about routing. So, what is a route? A route is effectively a map on how to get network data from one network to another. When you're working with Linux systems, you're going to have what is called a routing table. How do we view the routing table? Well, we do IP routes show. And as you can see, it lists two routes. The first route is called default. This is normally pointing to the internet. And as you can see, it says to get to the internet, we have to send all traffic that is not on our local network to 10.0.21. The second route listed there is for our local network. Basically what this says is that all traffic destined for 10.0.20 heads out interface ENS 18. So it heads out of our single interface we have attached to this host. All the routes on your system are in what is called a routing table. How do you view the routing table on a Linux host? You do netstat.rn and you'll see it lists the routes. It's basically the same thing as IP route show, but in a more usable format. You see it shows the interface it's assigned to, it shows your gateway, it shows the destination, it even shows you a mask for those networks as well. Very useful information.